Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We're back with Zionix Global. If you haven't checked Zionix Global out, you can go to www.aitradingbot.info. All right, we're back, guys. I looked at my last video, and it seems I had a glitch. The internet went capiche right at the end as I was doing my withdrawal. But I'm back to update you. First of all, let you know it did go through. Everything went fine. I'll show you that as well. But that's what happened. I was like, wow, right at the end. So anyway, we're back with Zionix Global. All right. So let's get into this really quick. Before we get started, we must talk about the disclaimer here. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency involves significant risks. Digital assets are volatile and can fluctuate in value rapidly. All right, so you must use risk capital. We're not giving you financial advice. We can't make any income claims here. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Zionix Global does not guarantee profits or returns of any kind, okay? And all users should only trade with funds they can afford to lose. Make sure you're using risk capital because this is risky. Nothing provided should be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. All right, guys? So, users are solely responsible for their decisions and assume all risks associated with cryptocurrency trading. All right? So, make sure you're using risk capital. We can't guarantee what you're going to make, when you're going to make it, if this thing's going to be here today and gone tomorrow. All right? Now that we got the disclaimer out of the way, let's run over here real quick. Not going to keep you long. Just wanted you to see. All right, so where we left off, I forgot what the Zionix wallet it was, but it's increased as you can see. But came back to show you about that withdrawal, right? So we were doing, that withdrawal right here. All right, it was 47.01 or something like that, remember? But remember, they take 3% fee, a withdrawal fee. So after they take their fee out, I think it was $47 or 47.01 or something, right? This is what my rewards would be, $45.59, right? That was on 11/25, okay? So we were processing a withdrawal, and then my internet went kapoof. So I want to show you that I did get it. So let me go over here to my crypto wallet. Hold on. All right, here's one of the wallets that I use for crypto. So right here, right, 11/26. All right, 45.01 right here. See, it says 45.0009, right? And here's the transaction, November 26. All right, so we did get it in the wallet right there. Look, 3:52 a.m. All right. So remember I told you it's up to what? 2 days now. Let's go back over here. Hang on. All right, so if we go back over to their policy for withdrawals, okay, it's not instant. It says here, processing may take up to 48 hours. See right here, processing time. Okay, it's not instant. And the withdrawals are 24/6. It's not 7 days a week, okay? This platform runs 6 days a week. You can withdraw 6 days a week. So in other words, on Sunday, no activity is taking place, nothing's happening at all, and you cannot withdraw on Sunday, but you can withdraw Monday through Saturday, okay? It's telling you that right here. Now, the other thing, you can only have one withdrawal pending at a time, okay? So let's say I wanted to go in here and I had 2 that I want to process. I have to let one complete, and then I have to, once it's complete, I can process the other one, okay? You can't go in here and have 3 or 4 different pending withdrawals, one at a time. All right, so that did go through. All right, once again, and that's our what? Number, which one is that? Number 4 or number 3? Let's see. That is our 4th withdrawal. Okay, we did one on 9/11, 9/27, 10/23, and 11/25. All 4 of those have gone through without a hitch. All right, it tells you right here, my total withdrawal has been 157.14. All right, so I'm definitely withdrawing from the platform. All right, now this is this is run by AI, so that's how it's all set up. Let's go back here, AI powered trading tool. So it's a bot, pretty much. All right, bot, and then they've got training and education in the platform as well for people that want to just learn about crypto and learn how to trade. They do give classes on that, webinars. Matter of fact, they sent an email out about that this week, every week. So it's definitely a training hub, as well as not just a passive crypto platform where you're just putting your crypto in and getting rewards. Okay, it's a little bit more than that. All right, but it's crypto in, crypto out, the way it's all set up. And it's a very simple process to get started. All right, you have to make a deposit into the platform. Once you make a deposit, then you're going to purchase your license, and then you're going to activate your bot, right? Pretty simple, all right? So if you wanted to get started, you will go here, fund your account, right? Crypto in, all right, crypto in, and you will put the amount right here, my deposit. Once it shows up in the back office in that wallet, right, the Zionix wallet, then you can purchase your license, right? So you need a license. It's once a year license. Now you can have as many bots as you want. All right. So licensing, I started with the starter pack, $149. Okay, they have a $149 a year, $199 a year, $249 a year, $299 a year, $549 a year. That's once a year you would pay for that license, okay? If you come down, let's see, this is in my way here. Come down here, you'll see, here they are, and it tells you what's included in each membership, right? Different trainings, etc. All right? So you got to get your license. You make your deposit, and you purchase your license. You pay this once a year, okay? And then right here, you'll see my license. As I stated, I'm a starter. All right. Because again, when I got in here initially, which we still don't know how it's going to turn out, but initially, September, the 3rd? So I've been here since September 3rd. I just said, hey, let me start at the starter bot. And you see right here, it says this bot is active. All right. And so you, once you get the license, then you come over here and you go ahead and activate your bot. Okay, so here they are. All right, right here, and here's my starter. So that's where we are. And you can get your crypto out, right? It's locked in for 180 days, which is 6 months. But if you decide at any point, hey, I think I changed my mind, I want out, you come in here, and they're just going to charge you a 30% early termination fee. All right, so you can do that. And that's how that goes. And then this thing starts to go to work. Okay, starts to go to work. Okay, that's how that will go. Now, that's it. Just that simple. Now, let's see. Which crypto? You may want to know that, right? Let's go. Let's say if we want to do it. Let's say we want to do 100. Right? We want to, we wanted to do the 149, and then we want to do 99. So what 250 maybe is the total of those two. You got to purchase your license, and then the minimum is 99 at the starter pack, right? So let's say I wanted to do 250. That's the total to get the bot working and to make the deposit. They accept USDT TRC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, SOL, Solana, USDT ERC20, USDC Solana, USDT BSC, and USDC BSC. That's what they accept in. Okay? And remember, accept out, there's no Bitcoin going out. When you do a withdrawal, Bitcoin is not an option. Okay? Just so you know that. But they accept these coming in. Going out is, let's see here, they'll show ya. going out. Let's see if we want to do, what do we have, 50. Let's just say we want to do the 50. Going out, they accept USDT TRC, USDT ERC20, USDC Solana, and USDT BSC going out as far as withdrawal. Okay. All right, guys, but it's just that simple. And then the bots go to work for you. Your bot goes to work for you. This is passive. As you saw that I'm not really getting any commissions really from referrals. I'm here for the passive. I am definitely here for the passive because I want to be able to let the system do all the heavy lifting for me, whether I get any folks in here or not. Okay. So that's it, guys. You just that's the process. Very simple. Fund the account, purchase your license, activate your bot. That's it. All right. All right. And real quick, I'll run through these. This is what I have going on, so you can kind of see how long I've been in it. These are my packages. I got one bot. You can purchase more than one bot if you want. Okay. But I got one bot and I've got several packages, right? Because remember, it's $149 for my bot, and then if I want to go back in and add another package for this particular starter package, the minimum is $99. Okay, to get the bot to start working. Okay, so all I had to do was just go in here and I can just keep adding 99 and above, and I can get another package over and over and over. So I've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages now. I started 87 days ago, it says, on September 3rd, okay, right here, as you can see, and it's up to 1%, no guarantees, the package that I have, all right, and that's kind of where it is. So 87 days ago, and we're still running. So far, so good. Again, you know, you can't fall in love with these platforms. It could be here today, gone tomorrow, so you're just rolling the dice, all right. So that's where we are. The latest package I got in, the last one was, the 6th package was on the 14th of November. Put 100 in there. And so far in 15 days, it's earned $4.92. All right. So that's where we are, guys. All right, with this thing. But you can definitely go check it out for yourself. You know, again, use risk capital. So far, here's our numbers. Profit, $208.10. Total profit so far. Total withdrawals, $157.14. All right. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button on your way out. Like the video. All right. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you want to check it out, go here to www.aitradingbot.info. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.